Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this eye look, stick around. But also I have something that's probably a little controversial for some. I have 5 dupes with me, but I've ordered another one that just hasn't got here yet. I had to reorder it. But I have these dupes for Huda Beauty. Anybody who's watched me very long knows that I do not support her. These are her palettes. So this is the new nude palette. This is the remastered rose gold. This one is what we'll be working with today. This is a dupe for the topaz, the dupe for the sapphire. Now you've seen me in other videos wear this palette. Anytime you've seen me in the blue the last few times. Not when I use the L'Oreal though. But this, oh, I dropped the plastic. But this is that. And then here's the one for the amethyst. And if you would like to see me swatch those, just comment down below. But if you want to see how I got the eye look with this $1.75 palette, wait just a few minutes and the video will start. See you on the other side. So, I spoke with Beauty Glaze about this brand, and they said that's their sister brand, but it's not good as, you know, it's a down step. It's not as good as the Beauty Glaze. And it was almost exact, I think it was exactly $1 cheaper. So this palette, I'm going to tell you, cost me $1.73. No taxes, no shipping. Now, how long did I wait? About 4 weeks. I mean, I waited for them to come out, and then I ordered, but it took so long. Now, I don't remember if I showed you the colors, so here they are. Whoops, sorry about that. Here they are. It doesn't have a mirror. So, oh man, I got stuck my fingernail right in there. Look. Crazy me. So, you know, I don't know if it's an exact dupe. So I thought I would go ahead and swatch these. So I'm going to start and go this way, and this way. So let's do these 3. So I haven't swatched them, so I do not know. So let me turn my light on. What in the world? I didn't know I didn't have my light on. Okay, didn't notice it. So here we go. That is a shimmer. Can you see? It is not. No, that is an orange. And I don't know if it looks orange. I'm going to swatch it again. Right here. Don't pay attention to that. So, there's that one. This is a shimmer. So far, not impressed. And this is another orange. This is a dupe for the topaz palette. So far, not so good. But sometimes they perform better on the eyes. So here's the next one. It's also a shimmer. Now, oh, that's pretty. The one in the middle is just a transition color. It's the same color as my skin. You're not going to be able to see it no matter how many times I swatch it. And then this is a gold shimmer. Well, that looks pretty good. There we go. And so then we're going to go in the last row. And the brown, right here. Where is this one at? Right there. So the brown is matte. And these two are shimmers. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm going to try to do an eye look with these. So we'll see how that turns out. Like I said, it's a lesser quality than the Beauty Glaze. And I'll probably compare them at some point. If you want to see me compare both of them, comment down below. Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes. But it's been about an hour now. So what I'm going to do is just go over them a little bit. And make sure I'm not creased. Actually, it's probably been about 2 hours since I've done my makeup. I was trying to do this video earlier, but I just couldn't get it done. Okay. And I have a small. I use a small most of the time if it's clean, because I just want to draw the line on my brow bone. I think this is going to be good. I always try to do I didn't bring my eye tape in here to tape off, but I usually try to make it sort of cat-eyed since I'm so hooded and Huda. I don't know how to pronounce it. I pronounce it Huda. I don't know how everybody else pronounces it, but that's what I do. So I'm just going in light windshield wiper motions so that I don't get the little ripples in my skin. That is, it's a reddish Georgia clay color, as you can tell. If you're from Georgia, you know this color very well. And so, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put that same color on my outer third and meet it down. Just a line. Then I'm going to bring it in just lightly to about halfway. Well, probably all the way across, excuse me. Yeah, all the way across. Oh, my eyes are very gray today. Alright, so I'm going to go in. I forgot to show you. I went in with this color. Now I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. They kind of look the same on camera, but they're not. This one's a lot deeper. I'm just going to build that up. Just on the outer third. It's pretty good. I'm going to come up with it just a little bit. Not all the way up though. I'm going to bring that in. Just about halfway is all. And my skin is being ridiculous today. I don't know why. Sometimes it cooperates and sometimes it doesn't. And I started on the wrong eye. So I'm going to go and line my other eye. I don't know why my camera keeps cutting off. There we go. I usually use my transition shade at the very end. And so, or if I use it at all, it'll be at the end. So it's going to be that color right there. And I'm just barely using circular motions. Make that line not so harsh. I already blended that one off camera because, well, I just did. We're going to do the same thing to this one. This eye, my left eye, always works out not as good because it is saggy. It's not a lazy eye either. And you can see one, this is smaller than this eye if I look straight on. So all I need is some, oh, I forgot. Let me wipe my brush off. Y'all hear that door? It's my husband coming in. Okay, so I forgot to put on a little bit of highlight. And some in my inner corner. Okay, so that is the look. Come closer. I'll leave my hair back so you can see. And I'm going to do my eyelashes. This is the burgundy, deep burgundy from L'Oreal Luminous. I love it. I just got it on the bottom of my eye though. Three's a charm. Okay, so we have real life on this channel. But this is my eye look. I'm finally done with it. I don't know how long it's taken me. But here it is. So, if you would like to see swatches of the other ones and of the two bigger palettes, the Perfect and the Rose Gold Reimagined, this calls it the... Anyway, this is the new one. They copied her new one, and this is it. So, her remastered one. But these are pretty nice. So anyway, if you'd like to see swatches to see how they do and I look, just comment down below. Again, if you are new here and you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and then the bell. Make sure it's rung, otherwise you won't get videos from me. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.